Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Akanksha here. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can do makeup for Onam, and this is gonna be very easy makeover. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without further ado, let's begin the video. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin, and for that I will apply facial oil, or here I'm using Good Vibes Almond Brightening Facial Oil. This is gonna provide you 24 hours of hydration. Let this oil sink into your skin for 10 minutes. Next I'm gonna apply this color correcting stick to hide my under eye dark circles. For this I'm using NY Base color correcting stick in shade Brooklyn Promenade Almond. So if you have dark circles or pigmentation, you can use this, otherwise you can keep it simple. Next I will apply foundation, and here I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 230. To apply this you can use a beauty blender, or you can even use your finger. Also don't forget to apply foundation down your neck and jaw as well. Next I'm applying concealer on my lid as well, so it can even out my skin tone before I use eyeshadow. And for this I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in shade 25 medium. To keep my eyebrow looking very natural, I'm using NY Base eyebrow pencil in shade black. And after this I'm using angular brush to blend it out in my eyebrows. Next step is to set foundation so that your foundation don't crease, and if you sweat a lot then this step is super important. So I like to use a loose powder. It gives you non-cakey base, and I'm using Urban Looks loose powder. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm using simple tape trick to apply eyeliner. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to apply eyeliner, you can check out my video on this. I will drop the link of that video in my description box. Next I'm going to apply eyeshadow. I really love this palette. I have been using it for quite a while. It's from Wet n Wild, and I'm taking this shade with a small defined brush, and I'm going to apply it on my crease and then keep blending. Next I'm applying this darker shade on my crease area. Now I will apply this golden shimmery eyeshadow on my eyelid area. In my waterline I'm using NY Base Kajal in shade The Big Apple of My Eyes. Next I will apply this glitter eyeliner in my crease area. So before mascara I love to curl my lashes, and after this I'm using Maybelline's Hypercurl Volume Express Mascara. Now I will apply a little bit of that golden shimmery eyeshadow in my brow bone area to highlight my eyes. So my eye makeup is done. Now it's time for blush, and for this I'm using SFR color blusher. Next I'm going to highlight my cheekbone area, my nose, my chin, and for this I'm using same sparkly shimmery golden eyeshadow to get that glow on my face. Next I will apply a liquid matte lipstick, and it is from brand Ramble in shade 08. No festive look is complete without the traditional touch, so I apply this bindi. Setting my makeup with this Blue Heaven makeup fixer, and my makeup is done. Now for my hair, I tied it into a low bun and securing it with some bobby pins and jura pins, as you can see in video. Then I'm gonna add this hair accessory. The first lip shade is so light for me, that's why I will apply a little bit of this magenta color and some jewelry to complete the look. And this is the final look. I hope you liked it. Then please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. And a very happy Onam, and thank you so much for watching my video. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you soon, stay happy.